Oh, my spaghetti monster. New leaks. It seems to pour out here. Here are cracks. How did you come in? No eggs.
So that's good energy.
We're Dutch, you know. We get wet in the rain. We don't care. Today is raining and it's a perfect day to do an inspection of all the water drainage to see if anything is wrong, missing, broken. You see that there are two drainage pipes here and on the other end of the house. Let's listen to this. There's some water gurgling but also water pouring from the outside. I think if I can zoom in, you probably see that there's a breach here. Yeah. Over to the other side of the house. Here it seems in order. I can hear water flowing, but here it's broken. I do not see any water flowing. And let's check the other side of the house. I can also hear water flowing, going in somewhere here. Nothing much I can do because it's concrete. And then down to the other end of the house, I can also hear water pouring inside here. And it's also going in. I'm not sure what this ends up. Yeah, I can also hear water inside this pipe. It looks in order. Goes somewhere here. So the water from the taverna is going through here. And you can actually see a lot of water running here. This is going here, inside, but it seems to pour out here. Here's the second one. Also going inside the wall, probably in here. And here is the third corner from the taverna. This also has some water running, and you can clearly see from the fourth there's no pipe anymore. These are cleaned, so this also flows. There's actually a lot of water pouring in and also a lot of water pouring out. One of these days I'll make a nice lid for the well. The well deserves it. Alright. All in all, not too bad. We're getting rid of the last pile. It's good that it's raining because then it's not that gross. We are sorting it in plastic, iron, rubbish, and yeah, getting there.
Yeah, and Friday we got help. So
Yeah.
we can bring it to the place.
dump.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's good energy. Although it's raining, doesn't matter.
No. We're Dutch, you know. We get wet in the rain. We don't care. It's late afternoon. It is still raining. And I was about to close up the cantina when I discovered this. Oh, my spaghetti monster. New leak. New leaks. It's here. Drip. Drip. And also coming from here. And also from here. Oh. I'll need to investigate now.
It's from here. It's from here, yeah. It's from above.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's from up. See? This is coming from upstairs. Drip. Drip.
How's that possible?
Looking for the damage.
Can't believe it. It's
But it's
so much in the
cantina.
Yeah.
Okay, so the wind direction is going through this hole. Water falls here on the floor. Goes through the floor to the ceiling on the ground floor. Goes through the floor in the ground floor. And then into the cantina. Pfah.
It's strange.
Yeah, and this has been going on for 25 years. There's gotta be. Got to be. Okay, we solved it. Solved the puzzle. How did you come in? Damn it. Well, that was an interesting discovery yesterday. The leakage from the second floor to the first floor all the way down to the cellar. And I can already see there are multiple spots I didn't see yesterday. I've seen this before, but I thought this was just damage from through the years, but this is all water damage. That's what it is, water damage. Because the situation has been like this since the house was built, so now 35 years ago, which accounts for the rot here. Also here I found another damp spot, but I was unable to locate the origin. The house has been carved around solid rocks. It is so beautiful. Now, next on the list in the damage assessment is here. Here are cracks. So I will need to pour concrete here, or maybe igaline. What is it? Like 10 square meters? Something like that. That's doable. Next stop, first floor. There are cracks and holes here. I would say igaline, but maybe that's a top layer. So we'll just pour some concrete. But I don't know what kind of concrete. If I do igaline, I can immediately put tiles here. Then it will be beautiful and it will not leak anymore. But because we're not going to do any floor heating here. Yeah, close the windows. But we don't know how much this will cost. We're going to try doing an offering from a local glassman. But first I'll have to take the measurements. We have another assignment that is going to the attic and look into the swallow situation. So I'm at the attic. I'm looking at the swallow nests. I'm going to check to see if there are already eggs inside. I'm going to lift the camera, got it on my tripod. This is the nest where I saw the swallow yesterday. And if the nest does not contain eggs, I will close the windows. If it does contain eggs, I will allow the swallow to breed here. Don't think so, but I really cannot distinguish it. Maybe if I do the Osmo. Yeah. Second try, different camera. This is the Osmo. It's much smaller and I can tilt it down like that. So this will probably give me a better view. And also I have got my lamp here, a large lamp. So this will provide me a good view. I'm very sorry for disturbing you. Looking up into the nest. What do we see? Eggs? No eggs? I know it's your nest, swallows, but I need to finish this house. It is still very early in March and I've seen that there are no eggs, so I can close the windows. But I also need to make sure that the swallow will make another nest, preferably outside. Because if it doesn't, and it flew all the way from Africa to here, to this place, to this nest, and if then by now its life is going to be miserable for the rest of his life, then I'll still need to consider if I want to close the windows or not today. Working on the first window to prevent the swallows coming in. I use a different chicken wire, green. They will see it better because I think they have a hard time seeing the other one. And I wanted to show you a little trick I use when nailing in staples. I take it in a plier, like that. I put it here, then I put my hammer. And it won't slip away. Yeah, happy for the first one. Alright. This one's done. This one's also done. Pretty sure the swallows will be able to see the grid. Yeah, hopefully they will make a nest somewhere else. I read about swallows and nests. The consensus is if you destroy their nests, they will nest somewhere else. But I am not destroying their nest, I'm simply making it inaccessible for them. I'll keep a close watch the couple coming days. Hopefully they will make a nest somewhere else outside. couple of days ago, we cut these enormous reeds. Look how enormous they are. I'm gonna clean them now. They will make very good growth cysts for tomatoes, for beans. That is 5 meters? Yeah.
So, almost done.
Almost done, yeah.
4, 6. There's one behind. 8, 10, 11. 11, I think.
The barking prevents rotting. Even the reed through the boot. It's also with this. See how quickly it turns black? Done.
Great.
Got 2 new plumbers now, and they're looking at the central heating system. Here we are.
Ma le bombole così grosse? E che cazzo di simbolo quello?
I grandi, sì.
Questo dove va a... Ah, no, qui?
No, no.
Ah,
No. It remains a mystery what happened here.
Il saldo che fa la cosa più grande. Però non mi ricordo se tocca schiacciamodi.
the hot water is...
Down.
È aperto, il gas è aperto?
Sì, sì, lo so, sono sicuro, però ci vuoi vedere?
Tante volte la schiena si arrivano pure sulla casa, non è successo. La fumata. Ora, non c'ho. Off.
Off, sì.
Così. Tutte e due.
Acqua calda.
E il termosifone.
Termosifoni anche.
Sì. Così. Acqua calda.
Ok.
Va bene.
Calda. Oh, io ho questi.
Finally, the heating is working. Okay, don't touch it.
It has a life on its own.
Yeah, we have since 2 days a thermostat, a temporary thermostat,
Temporary, yeah.
and now it's functioning.
Yeah.
It's great.
The new plumber Luigi,
Yeah.
he repaired the system, the caldaya.
Yeah, something wrong here.
Something wrong, yeah.
Upside down,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
got a filter and some other stuff.
Yeah,
And now
It makes a lot of noise.
it's working for 2 days, so I think it will stay like this. Yeah. Now the heating is working, but it's great.
Yep.
And we have warm water downstairs
Yeah,
in the shower,
yeah.
and we can cook on
We have gas, yeah.
and warm water to do the dishes.
Yeah.
Life is much better.
Yeah. It's
Just
getting
do
there.
This and then we can clean it and then
Yeah.
great.
So let's do 210.
215? 250?
15 now. No.
Yeah, because if you want to make it nice,
Okay, 215. a ring dead center of the entrance, and let's see what happens. So I know how high it's going to be.
I think you need a stair.
No?
No?
Here it comes. Like that. So what that means, we'll have to cut it here. Right. This is the height. It took me some time to set up my laser because I didn't have the right spaces. So now I've set it up. Now I can make the cut. Okay, done. One thing, added to a bit of collateral damage. When the wall came down, it came down hard on this stone, even though I had plastic and some cardboard and some more plastic. I saw it spiking in a quite a crack. Alright. Luckily we found some stone, so I will be able to replace this. And the electricity, I thought everything was going to come from here, but it turns out 3 wires came from here. I'll need to find out how this works, what it is exactly, and hopefully I will be able to lead it through a pipe back to where it came from here. It just might have just enough flash. Not unhappy about this.